Here we are on the beach in beautiful California, San Francisco Bay. It's about, I guess it's about 12 o'clock. Saturday, June 17th. And there's Patrick in the raft. There's Dakota running towards me. And they're having a good time. The raft is about 10 years old. It was Richie and Eddie's, but now they're just having fun. I always took care of it. Patrick's going to row. And we'll see what happens. There's Michael, Andrew. There's Michael telling Patrick what to do. Here's San Francisco over here, but we can't see it. Here we are, San Francisco Bay. There's Andrew paddling Dakota. There's Michael. Where's your other shoe, Michael? They're having a good time. Get in here, Michael. Michael! Michael, get in with the front. Here's Andrew rowing the boat. He's doing a good job. It's a beautiful day before it gets a little windy and a little chilly. Good boy. Andrew, use one paddle when you want to turn. Just use one. Did you hear me? Good boy. That's it. Don't throw, Michael. Don't. Andrew's doing a pretty good job rowing. There's Michael. He gave up rowing, but he'll learn. And there's our beautiful San Francisco. It's a beautiful day. There they are, fighting men against the sea. Who is winning the battle? Here we are, San Francisco Bay, Alameda. Alameda's 5 Mile Beach.
That girl over there was one.
And they're fighting the tide coming in. They're trying to build a sandcastle. These boys to hold the water back, but they are losing. There's Michael, Patrick, Andrew, and Dakota somewhere around here. He's watching the show. Trying to learn to surf sail. Oh, What do you have there, young man?
I got a shell. It's very beautiful, you see. It's yellow stick. It's very beautiful. You know, I like it. And I found it in the ocean. It was very pretty.